Welcome to Magitools. In this quick tutorial we're going to have a look at how to hide the tooltips in Adobe Illustrator. Well, these tooltips are great for beginners because they actually show you how these specific tools work, and they also show you the keyboard shortcuts for each tool. These tooltips are rather annoying for advanced users of Illustrator because there's a big chance that you don't want these to pop up every single time when you choose a tool in Adobe Illustrator. And that's why I'm now going to show you how you can easily hide and deactivate these tooltips in Adobe Illustrator. It's actually pretty simple. First of all, head over to the main menu where it says Illustrator and then select Preferences and then General. Now under General, have a look for the option Show Tooltips and make sure that this option is unticked. Once that is the case, simply press on OK. And now whenever you will hover over a tool here in your Adobe Illustrator toolbar, you will see that these tooltips are now gone and don't show up anymore. And that's it, guys. This is how you hide these tooltips in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.